Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Mariette on behalf of howtoexpo.com. Today I'm going to demonstrate something that is super easy, super fast and tasty. All the ingredients are leftovers from yesterday. As you see, I have leftover chicken. I opened a can of chicken soup, 1 cup of green peas and carrots sauteed or microwaved or boiled. We have here 1.5 cup of biscuit mix, 1 egg white, 1 cup milk, and we are going to use the chicken stock to dilute the chicken soup, and of course the chicken which is left over from yesterday. Let's get started. The oven baking dish is coated with butter, so put your chicken on the bottom, add the carrots, top of chicken, spread it evenly, much as you can, add green peas, set aside, prepare the chicken soup mix with chicken broth. Slowly add the chicken broth to the chicken soup mix. Approximately 1 cup of chicken stock will be enough. Mix 1.5 cup biscuit mix with around 1 cup of milk. Add the 1 egg white. Add the chicken soup mix over the peas and the carrots. Spread it. Then add the biscuit mix evenly to cover the top. Cover with melted butter. If you don't want to use butter, you can put any type of oil you prefer. Cook in preheated 350-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Chicken pot pie is ready. It's hot. If the color is golden and it's set. I hope you like this dish. This is Mariette.
For great tips and ideas for your next meal, visit howtoexpo.com.